Good morning guys! Hello! Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? How are you all today? All my friends all over the world. Today, your Lola is happy. Masaya ang Lola nyo ngayon. Because, I show you later. Kape muna tayo guys. Ang lola nyo nakabili na ng bagong washing machine. Yay! Hip hip hooray! Katas ng pinaghirapang magkuskus ng kubeta, maglinis sa trabaho. Ayan guys. Let me show you my old one. Tara, samahan nyo ko. Papakita ko rin sa inyo. I show you my new washing machine too. Tara guys. Labas tayo. Kita ko sa inyo yung pinalitan kong washing machine. Guys, talagang tumigil na siya. Hindi na siya umikot. He stopped working. Ayan na guys, oh, sira na talaga siya. And it's broken. Simpson to guys, but got a long service to me. It's been to our house. We buy this 15 or 18 years ago. Since my youngest boys is 2 years old. I think that the same time when I buy we renovate the toilet and the swimming pool. At the same time we loan money. Ayan na siya guys. My new washing machine. Energy rating 4 star, water rating 3 stars, and auto start. Ayan siya guys. Smart inverters 9.0 kg. LG siya guys. It's an LG turbo drum. Ayan siya guys, ang dami niyang got lots of thing to press. It's not like the old one, you just turn around the knob. This one is automatic. I show you guys. Look when you close it. Dun dun! Slow down. And ayan yung lalagyan ng, this is the detergent and softener. As you can see, I got a load there already. So, ayan guys. Oh. So happy ang lola nyo. Ayan ang latest update ng lola nyo. Ayan. So, happy, hip hip hooray! Hindi na ako magkukuskos sa kamay kasi it's cold here in Oz now. So, let's start power. And very gently shed guys. It's not very noisy. Not like the other one is like the airplane that going to take off. This is like just normal. And I use cold. I don't use hot water guys. So water label, we put it on 7. So automatic na siya guys. If you put your water level or halfway, or you can use like 8, then automatic puput siya sa 1 hours and 5 minutes. It's on high. You can put it on medium. 2 times wash. wash is 18 minutes, rinse 2 times, spin, and cotton wash. Then we press start. Ayan guys, let's watch what he's going to do, or she. We call him she because it's a woman. Is sensing. And then he's turning. Still sensing, guys. Yan na. The soap is coming out, and the water and the soap freshener, softener. Ayan na siya guys. Ganyan lang siya. Kaano. Diba ang ganda niya guys? This cost me arm and foot. It's how much is the thing? 1,000 something, and then we get discount. He gave it to us like 880, so we got a discount guys, and it's 9 kilos. That's it guys, and it's really energy ratings, energy saver, and water. So good one guys. That's it. We wait until it's gonna take long for the water to fill guys. So that's it guys. That's my latest news for today. My new washing machine. Happy hip hip hooray. Ayan na siya guys. Happy happy ang lola nyo, hindi na lalaba sa lamig. Malamig kasi na ngayon dito guys sa Sydney. It's cold here now in Sydney. So guys, thank you for watching. See you on my next video. And if you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe my channel, Lynn Evans Os Down Under. Bye for now. Stay safe and God bless. Bye.